Yeah, hello. So let's talk about Brassicaceae. So coming to the morphology of flowering plants, which has been updated in the new NCRT. So coming to the flower. So now we are talking about the family, which is Brassicaceae. We can otherwise call it as Cruciferae. 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 So let's see what is this. So in this Brassicaceae family, so it is been arranged in the form of Greek plus, okay, Greek cross. So you can also call it as Greek cross. So what is this Greek cross? You can able to see the cross will be like this. So one petal is arranged here and the other petal here. One petal is here and other petal is here. This is like a cross, right? Coming to the first floral description, flower. This is of actinomorphic. Hence, you can able to divide this flower into two equal parts from any plane passing through, which is for Malvaceae as well and Brassicaceae as well. But we have an exception, that is zygomorphic in candy tuft. So only in this plant you have the zygomorphic, and the flower is bisexual, which is hermaphrodite in nature, and the ovary is superior, we call it as hypogynous, and we have the di or tetramerous flower. So let's talk about the very first thing, that is calyx. So coming to the calyx, we have 4 sepals, and which is polysepalous. But when it comes to Malvaceae, we have 5 and it is gamosepalous. This is polysepalous, and which is arranged in 2 whorls. And we have imbricate estivation. There it is valvate estivation. 2 is out and 2 is inside. 2 is out and 2 is in. And here we have the corolla, and you can able to see clearly we have the 4 petals, and this is also polypetalous. We have the valvate estivation, so for hibiscus this is twisted estivation in case of Malvaceae family. In case of Brassicaceae it is valvate estivation. And let's talk about the other thing, androecium. We have the 6 stamens. These are arranged in 2 whorls. We call it as tetradynamous. This is the very important characteristic features. So tetradynamous. So what is this tetradynamous is? You can able to see we have 2 outside 2 outer and shorter. That's what the 2 plus 4 arrangement we can see in floral formula, and 4 inner, and it is longer. And next we will be talking about gynoecium. Bicarpellary, syncarpous, means both are fused. But very interestingly, the ovary will be unilocular. This is one of the characteristic features, but becomes bilocular due to replum, right? So let's see how this will be happened. In case of ovary, we have 2 ovaries which are fused, bicarpellary, syncarpous, and this partition will be degenerated, and you can see the placenta this is parietal placentation, and the connective tissue that is been developed between this we call it as replum, and this is the placental tissue, and this is the ovary. So actually it is unilocular but became bilocular due to this replum. The floral formula. So we don't have bracts here. This is, so you can write it as ebractate, EBR. And the flower is actinomorphic. Even in the hibiscus also it is actinomorphic. But when it comes to leguminaceae, this is zygomorphic because of vexillary aestivation. And so this is bisexual flower. Most of the flowers we take is bisexual. And we already know the flower is, and the flower is complete. So we have the calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. We already know the ovary is superior. Most of the ovaries, if you take leguminaceae, solanaceae, liliaceae, like malvaceae, even cruciferaceae, the ovary will be of superior. So undoubtedly you can remember that. And here you can see the calyx. It is being arranged into 2 whorls. 2 is outside and 2 is inside with imbricate aestivation. You can able to see 2 plus 2, but not fused. And you can see the corolla, which is 4, which is arranged in the form of Greek cross with the valvate aestivation. And androecium 2 plus 4, we call it as tetradynamous condition. So outside 2 are shorter and inside 4 are longer. And we have the 2 ovaries, which means 2 carpels which are fused. So this is the floral formula you have to remember. Yes, so remember these are the things we have to remember regarding Cruciferaceae flower. So we'll see about the next other families in the coming video regarding the vegetative characters. Thank you.